Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And for today's video, we are going to be doing a everyday kind of soft glam look using some of my old favorites. I don't know many out there that has the funds nor the desire to continuously purchase all of these new products, palettes and potions and use them one time and throw them to the side. Definitely not me. That's not how my pockets are set up. So I decided to pull out a few of my favorites, and that's what we're going to use to get this look right together. Now, in case you were wondering what is going on, no, there's not a filter on this video. I actually recorded a video prior where I was reviewing a brand new foundation. This foundation is flawless thus far. Right now we're still doing kind of a wear test, but if you are in fact interested in that particular video, I will post a link in the description box below where you can view it after you're done viewing this one. So since my base obviously is already set and done, what I'm going to be doing next are my brows. And it is no secret, you guys know I am an honorary in my head benefit brow babe. So of course I'm going to use nothing but benefit products. I absolutely love this brand. I'm waiting on them to love me back. That's okay. But in the meanwhile, I'm still going to use this brand. It is amazing, especially for, in my opinion, beginners. Remember those big, chunky pencils you would get like when you were in preschool and elementary school, you know, like first and second grade, and they taught you how to control the pencil until you were able to graduate to, say, a number 2 pencil or mechanic pencil. That's what this particular tool reminds me of. It gives you more control over the instrument that you're using so that you're more confident in what it is that you're doing to achieve the brow, hopefully, that you wish to achieve. And that is what the Benefit Brow Contour Pro Pen does for you. Enough with the free promo. They not seeing this, they not hearing me. I'm about to go ahead and do my brows. Moving along, next I will be applying NYX eye primer to my eyes. The palette I will be working from today is by ABH, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and this is their Modern Renaissance palette. This is one of the OG palettes of Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I'm going to grab my brush, and the first shade I'm going to use is going to be somewhat of our transition shade. Let's go in with Raw Sienna, which is this one here. everything blend, blend, blend. A good blend can take you from looking like to wow. I mean, a good blend, a good blending brush, easy, patient hand, and you good to go. Especially for, you know, like everyday looks. That's one thing as a beginner or someone that likes wearing makeup, but you just don't like all of the extra that goes along with it. You know, maybe not the cut creases and using, you know, X amount of shades right now, but something that can get you from here to there within, you know, 20 minutes. A nice blending brush, nice shade brush. Honestly, insider secret, get you 3 shades that are complementing each other. You're good to go. Get you a transition shade, get you a matte, and get you a shimmer to pop. You good to go. Next shade we are going to follow up with is going to be, we're going to do Love Letter, which is this one here. And we're going to actually pop that in the middle. Right in the middle. Going back in with the brush I used earlier, I'm just going to take and lightly blur the two right where they meet so that they marry and it doesn't look like there's a contrast between the 2 shades. Not applying any additional product. And for our inner eye shimmer shade, we're going to use this shimmer shade here. And I don't know about you, but for me, when it comes to a shimmer shade, I almost always use my finger. I feel like it gives me more control over what I'm doing. And for me, a lot of shimmer shades don't pick up well on brushes, so I like to use my finger. So I'm just going to get that down there. And it's okay if you drag it over a little bit to your middle shade so that there's a slight gradient of the 2. Bottom, using a smudge brush, we are going to go in with, let's do Venetian Red, which is this shade here. I'm just going to pop that on the lower lash line. go in lightly with regalia. For a inner eye or inner tear duct pop of highlight, we are going to add this shade here. And this time for the inner eye highlight, I'm going to use a shimmer shade, but I'm going to use a brush. And this is why. I only need a smidget of it in the inner eye. I don't have to try and blend it in or blend it out. Just basically put the brush into the shade, dust off the excess, and tap the eye with it. And that's all you need. So that's why I use a brush for the highlight portion of using a shimmer shade. That's it for our eyes. And then we just have to follow up with our lashes and our mascara that we're going to do later. We're going to move on to our blush. This one is by Juvia's Place. It is the Saharan Blush Collection Volume 1. And the shade I will be using, it's going to actually be a combination of two shades. We're going to use Toby, which is this orange color here, and then we're going to marry that with Zane, which is more of a magenta fun shade. Going on to our lip, first I'm going to use a lip liner, and this is by MAC Cosmetics. This is the Chestnut Brown Lip Liner. Just going to lightly line my lips with it. To fill it in, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid matte lipstick. When they say matte, you put this on, it's budge proof, it's eat proof, it's waterproof, hell, it's life proof. This does not budge until you actually scrub it off. I like that, definitely in the age of having to wear a mask right now, so this is me all day right now. And the shade I'm going to use is Glam. This is it. This is the final look. It is the curtain call. We are done here. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch this tutorial. If in fact you liked it, please feel free to like, share it, subscribe if you have not yet already. Hopefully you have. As well as leave me comments, all the comments, good, bad, and indifferent, in the comment box below. I respond to them all. And again, If you are in fact interested as to how I got my base earlier that I started this video off with, as well as which foundation I actually did review that just came out, there will be a link in the description box below to that particular video so that you can watch it. Hey, watch it after this one, as well as some other videos that I have that you may have not seen. And if you have, definitely go back and refresh yourself on some of the techniques and the products that I use. Until next time, my friends, see you later.